Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you one more simple and interesting C program, that is, write a C program to find square root of the entered floating point number using built-in function sqrt available in math.h. That means you need to develop one software or program that takes one input from user and gives us the square root of the entered number. For example, if we give the input as 4 to a computer system will process and gives the result as square root of 4 is 2. Yes, that means you need to write this program. Means we are giving one input as floating point number, and the program whichever we write, that program will calculate the square root of it and gives one output. The output will be the square root of that entered number. Instead of 4, if we give the input as 16, then we get square root of 16 is 4. This program you have to write. But what is the condition? The condition is that you need to make use of built-in function. Built-in function means this function is already developed by developers of C compiler and given to us. The name of that built-in function is sqrt. This function is available in which header file? math.h. Within math.h, n number of mathematical functions are there. Now we are using sqrt function from math.h. Without using this function also for us possible to find, that one we learn in the forthcoming classes. But now what we do, we find the square root of entered number using sqrt function available in math.h. That means whenever we run the written program, we get one message on the screen: enter a number. Enter a number. Machine is waiting for input. I give the input as 4. Afterwards I press enter. Then I get the result like square root of 4 is 2. This program you need to write. Then how to write this program? Very simple. As you know already, if you want to write any program, you have to add which header file? #include stdio.h. But in this program we add another header file called math.h also. Why? Just only I told you. Because from this header file we are using sqrt function. If you won't add this header file, we are not able to access sqrt. That's why you need to add this header file. Afterwards our main program starts. First think about how many memories we need, how many variables. We need one variable as n, in which we store the entered number, and one more as answer, where we store the answer. But this time these are the two memories of which type? Float type. Float means numbers with fractional part. Okay, we have defined two variables of the type float. Next I inform the machine to clear the screen. Then I will tell the machine to print the message enter a number. We are following the syntax of printf. Then tell the machine to read a value. How many values we are reading? One value. Of which type? Float type. That's why percentage of address of n. Whatever the number we enter, that will be stored in n. Then answer equals to sqrt is already built-in function available in math.h. sqrt into bracket n means that function will give us the square root. that will be stored in answer. That one you have to print f. Then slash n means cursor comes down, square root of percentage f is percentage f. First one is for n, second is for answer. Then we inform the machine to wait. Then the program completes. I hope everyone has understood. This is very simple program, but in this program you learnt one more new concept. What is that? Adding other than stdio.h, we added math.h. In math.h we have sine, cos, tan, POW, exponential, ABS, FABS, SQRT. All mathematical functions are available in math.h. In order to make the use of all those functions, we have to add which header file? Math.h. I hope you understood. Very good. Now if you run it, we get the message, enter a number, enter, accordingly we get the result. The output will be like this: enter a number, enter the number, we get the output. Now practically I run and I will show you. Just start the software in which you want to write this code. You need to wait for a few seconds. Software starts. Afterwards what you need to do? You need to first close all the opened files. See here, this is the editor. Now go to window menu, close all the opened files are closed, file and new. Now what I do? Hash include stdio.h, hash include which header file? math.h. Afterwards void main. How many variables we need? One is float. We need first one as n of which type? Float. One more as answer. Then clear the screen. Then print the message, enter a number. How to read a number? We use scanf. We are reading one value, that's why 1% of m% of n, address of n, answer equals to SQRT into bracket n. Then print the result, printf slash n, square root of percentage f is percentage f. First is for n, second is for answer, then wait, then over. Save the file menu and F2 or save. prg6.c, prg6 or 7, sorry, prg7, prg7.c. okay, then run it, run menu, run. Enter number 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Now you can see 4.60 we are getting 2.60, that is called as fractional part. Float type of variable means it manages 6 digits in the fractional part. How many digits it maintains? 6 digits. If you define the variable of double type, it manages more than 6 times. That depends on compiler. 15 times the double type of variable may take. Now it is taking 6 digits in the fractional part. Sometimes we want only 2 digits in the fractional part. At the time, instead of writing percentage f, I write 0.2f. 0.2f means what? It maintains only 2 digits in the fractional part. What I did, instead of writing percentage f, I have written 0.2f. Then run the program. Give the input as 4. See here, 4.00 and 2.00 because 0.2f I typed. Okay, very good. Now run the program once again. Give the input as 5. Square root of 5 is 2.24. Yeah, very good, program is running. This is how to find square root of entered number using built-in function. Go to help menu, Alt H, go to index, type math.h, press enter. You can maximize it. Now you can see here in the math.h how many functions are available. In math.h, ABS is available. It converts the value from negative to positive, and other than ABS, A cos, A sin, and exponential x raised to n, FABS, if the float value is negative, that converts into positive, and we have log, log L, log 10, and poly, tan. All these are mathematical functions. If you want to get the, you can see square root is also here. Square root. Press enter. We are getting the help on it. SQRT and SQRTL calculates the square root of the given value. You can read it. We have example also here. You can see math.h, std.h, double type x.4.0, result equals to. Like this, we get help on all the functions and header files. If you are interested, you can go to help menu and check it. You can learn the things by your own also. I hope everyone has understood. If you have any doubts, please ask. We are here to help you. Okay. Thank you one and all. Take care. Have a nice day.